doesn't matter if you're tiny or tall.
It doesn't matter if you're big or small.
If you want to have fun, it doesn't matter at all.
You got it, big!
Why, thank you, small. Skipping, flipping, climbing up a rope. Hiding, riding, sliding down a slope. Skating on an ice cube, swinging on a star. It makes no difference what size you are.
Nice!
If you want to have fun, it doesn't matter at all. 'Cause here we are, we're big and small.
Yeah!
Another beautiful day. Just like every other day. Except totally different. Don't you think? Doesn't it feel kind of funny round here? Know what? I think something's missing. Something's missing from my house. Oh no! Oh, but not you. Something else then. One comfy chair, one fridge, one radio, one piano, one butterfly, yep, some peppers, 10 carrots, one wheelbarrow, and let's see, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3 tomatoes. Okay. 2 frogs and 1 shed. Well, I suppose nothing's missing after all. Did you just hear a knock? Yeah, me too. Weird.
Finally!
Huh?
I thought you weren't home. But how could you not be home when you're expecting me? Could you get that for me?
Yeah, okay.
Thanks. Okay, don't worry. I'll be right back. Told ya. It's me. I'm back.
Who are you?
You are funny. I had no idea that you were so funny. Phew. Oh, good, it all fits. I was afraid that it wouldn't fit, but this is a big house. You're big?
And you're small?
Oh, no, I'm small, and you're big. So, are you ready?
Ready for what?
But didn't you get my card?
No.
No. Oh, well, it's right here. Hang on. See? Okay, it says, Dear Big, that's you.
But
Don't worry, I'll be there on Friday, and I can stay as long as you like. Love, Small. See? Couldn't be clearer. I'm surprised that you never got it. Here you go. Oh, okay. I know. Here's what we'll do. I'll go and hide, and if you want me to come for a visit, you can find me, okay? Okay.
did I invite you? I don't remember inviting him.
I'm ready for you to find me.
Okay. Small. Small. Have you seen Small? He's very, small.
I'm over here.
not here. I'm here.
Where is Small? Let us think. Let us think very hard. Lettuce. You get it? Lettuce. I'll never guess.
Found ya. Small, I've never had a visitor before, but I think I like it. Will you stay?
I don't know, Big. I mean, let me think here. Okay, that's a great idea.
Good.
So, what do you do for fun round here?
I know. Whoa, we could swing.
Oh, another great idea. What's a swing?
You first.
Okay. Woohoo! Okay, I'm ready for something else.
No. Wait. You've got to kick your legs to make it work properly.
Oh, okay. Okay. Are you sure this is fun, Big? Because I'm not feeling the fun.
No. Wait. Okay, sit down. Yep, I'm going to push you. Okay.
Okay.
Are we ready?
Yep.
Good.
Okay, here we go.
Small, where are you?
I'm over here, having fun.
Now you push me.
So this is what you do before bed? You sit and read and don't talk to anybody?
Yep.
It's just that, so far, I'm not having any fun. I think big fun is different to small fun.
But really? What's small fun?
You know, right? Because you're small too. So let's tell Big what's fun, okay? Riding balloons is small fun. Oh yeah, and climbing the curtains is small fun. And surfing in the bath, that's more fun. And skating on ice cubes, woo! Skipping, flipping, climbing up a rope. Hiding, riding, sliding down a slope. Skating on an ice cube, bouncing on a ball. Having fun's a piece of cake, especially when you're small.
And it doesn't matter if you're tiny or tall. It doesn't matter if you're big or small. If you wanna have fun, doesn't matter at all. Striding like a giant, that's easy when you're big. And working in my garden, I just love to dig. Reading in my bed and sawing up some wood. Playing my piano, yeah, that feels good. It doesn't matter if you're tiny or tall. It doesn't matter if you're big or small. If you wanna have fun, doesn't matter at all.
You know what, Big?
Yep.
I feel better.
Me too. Wait. I've got just the thing for you. Wait here.
Ooh, is it a jetpack?
No. You're gonna love this. I got it for my birthday.
Wow! It's a car? You shouldn't have.
Cool, huh?
Wow.
And
Woohoo.
I get to read the instructions. Okay, it says here,
Oh.
always drive with caution. 2, always obey the speed limits. Yeah, that makes sense. Number 3, always indicate on the turns. Okay, this one's very important. Always proceed with caution on the pavement. Right. Okay, so, you ready?
Hey, you want to ride?
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm pretty big.
Just think, Fluffy. You're big, but you're fluffy.
Okay.
Great.
Okay.
Okay, climb aboard.
Okay.
Easy.
Easy.
On there.
Ah,
Okay.
right, okay.
Are you good? Okay, now press the button on there.
Okay. Okay.
Woohoo!
So this is small fun.
I think it's not working anymore.
You know what, Small?
What?
I thought something was missing from the house this morning, and I was right. You were missing.
I know, but you found me, and I found you.
Yeah.
Thanks for letting me stay tall.
I'm big.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.